Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. This is Unit 3. I have come up with a new lesson, The Fearless Fighter. This is a story of a courageous and determined girl who determines to swim in an English Channel swimming association. She is a physically challenged girl, a polio patient, but still she determines to swim in the English Channel, where she needs all her strength and courage to swim in the channel. This is a story of a courageous and determined girl, Janaki, who proves that disability is not at all a hurdle to achieve her goal. She wanted to swim in an English Channel, that is swimming competition, where she needs all her strength to prove herself. Now let us read the story. The Fearless Fighter. Janaki felt her mouth going dry. She tried not to look nervous as she faced the officials of the English Channel Swimming Association. So, as she determined to participate in the event, she has to face an interview with the officials. So, she reached there, but as she saw the officials, her mouth going dry, and she was nervous. She was also looking nervous, but she tried to convince herself. How could she swim the channel? Was the question that every member wanted to ask. So, as the officials saw her in this way as a polio patient, as a disabled child, they got a doubt. How can she swim? Why? Because it needs lot of strength and patience. So they got a doubt. They were shocked to see a physically challenged girl who had come all the way from India to England to participate in an event where she would need all her strength. So, as these officials saw her, they were shocked to see. Why? Because she is a physically challenged girl. But she determined to participate in the event, she came all the way from India to England to participate in this event. So the officials were shocked to see a physically challenged girl. And how could she achieve it being a polio patient? She is a polio patient. She couldn't even walk properly. So they thought that how can she achieve and how can she succeed in the event? Janaki had been attacked by polio when she was 2 years old. When Janaki was 2 years old, she has been attacked by polio. So polio means when a person is attacked with attacked by polio, then they suffers. Then that part will not grow. That part will not grow, and it doesn't have enough strength to walk on their own legs. So they need some support to walk. As a result, her leg muscles had become so weak that she could not use her legs at all. So due to polio, her leg muscles have been uh, weak, and she could not even use her legs at all to walk. Whoever wishes to swim the English Channel has to fulfill two conditions. One of the members tried to explain to Janaki. So when they saw her, so one of the members want to explain about the conditions of the event. When one of the member of the English Channel Association tried to explain Janaki about the two conditions, she said, Janaki said, yes, I have been informed that if I wish to participate in this event, I should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water. See, She knew that she has to spend 10 hours continuously in the water, but still she is ready to participate in the event. Yes, said a confident Janaki. She is very much confident that she can prove herself. I have been informed that if I wish to participate in this event, I should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water, and that I should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. See, there will be no break also. 10 hours um, swimming for 10 hours continuously in the high sea, it's not a joke. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. The person will, what is that, lose all his strength. They need more energy also. So it's not a easy thing to swim continuously for 10 hours. Do you think you can qualify for the event? Said another member. Yes, okay, you know that you have to spend 10 hours continuously in the water, but still you are ready. Are you confident about this? The other member asked her. Here are my certificates, Janaki said. Then she gave her certificates where she achieved. Janaki said, handing over the certificates she had earned during 4 years of training. Why she is very much confident? Why? Because she already had training of swimming. I trained myself by swimming 20 kilometers upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. See how nice it is. So before participating in any event or any contest, you need some practice. Then only you will have some confidence. Okay. So in the same way, Janaki also is very much confident. Why? Because she had been trained herself by swimming 20 kilometers. They need 10 hours to spend in the water, but she used to spend more time. She used to spend more time in water swimming for 20 kilometers upstream every day for 3 weeks in the Arabian Sea. That's a lot of courage, said one of the association members. So the association members, after seeing her certificates, they appreciated her. That's a lot of courage, said one of the association members. That's not all, Janaki smiled. My certificates will also show you that I can swim for 10 hours continuously. So she had a certificate also that she could swim in the sea continuously for 10 hours. All the officials of the English Channel Association were impressed by seeing her certificates and her confidence. All the members of the English Channel, they were impressed. Finally, they had to give her the permission to swim. So, at last, they gave permission to her to swim in the event. Well, congratulations, Janaki. You can swim the channel. Thank you, said a beaming Janaki. So, as she got confidence, she said, thank you, sir. Although Janaki had wanted to make a solo attempt means single attempt. She could not do so because the special boat needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. So she has to attempt alone. So due to her disability, she may need assistance boat also, a special boat to be accompanied her for her safety. It's not compulsory, but for it's a safety measure, but it is not available. So it was decided that she would be a part of a relay team that had mainly American swimmers. So what these members did, they made they decided to make a part of relay team as a team member in the American swimmers. July 28th, 1992 arrived. So that is the day when Janaki participated in the event. It was the day that created history. For Janaki, it was the day to fulfill her life's ambition. It is her goal, her ambition. Since long back, she is trying hard and she is trying herself to participate in such an event. So that day has come now. Her ambition to swim the English Channel. So it has been succeeded on that day. On which day? July 28th, 1992. Janaki could hardly breathe because of excitement. She is very much excited to participate in the event. So she is very much excited to participate in the event. The ocean seemed more challenging than ever before. But nothing would shake Janaki's determination to win. So, um, if we see a sea with high tides and what is that, high tides and deep sea, if we see, we'll have some fear of going near to that. Why? Because we are not trained to swim. But as she was trained well, she is very much confident and determined. So she has no fear at all, and she thought that nothing can be a hurdle to me, and she determined to win the event. So let us see in the next video what happened, how did she achieved her goal. Let us see. So read this lesson 2 times and find out the difficult words and write in your notebook. That is your assignment. Okay, this is all for today. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.